Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Friday, August 24th. And we've got some pretty active weather over the next 5 days that could feature some hot air and some strong and maybe severe thunderstorms, especially for Sunday and Sunday night. And then we got that hot air for Sunday into Tuesday. We can see temperatures again, they'll be solidly into the 80s. And can't rule out temperatures around 90, 91 degrees for Sunday, maybe even Monday or Tuesday, depending on how much sunshine we can see. But between now and early next week, I think many areas will see well over an inch of precipitation. So a very stormy pattern coming up, along with some sunshine and again some very hot temperatures coming up for this time of the year. Yesterday we had a high of 80 and a low of 59. Again, our normal highs are 79 and 56 by night. And the sunrise 6:53 this morning. Sunset tonight is 8:27, and we lost another couple of minutes off our daylight. Around the area this morning, temperatures in the mid 50s to around 60 degrees. We do have two stations that are currently down, Blissfield and Newaygo, and so hopefully we can have those up and running here shortly after 8 o'clock. And you can see the moisture so far for the growing season's taking a nice leap thanks to the pretty heavy rains we've seen across the area here over the last 7 days. 92%, we were at 87 about 10 days ago, so we've definitely improved on the overall growing season. Again, what sticks out like a sore thumb is that very dry July that we had. And you can see in a graphical format just how wet so far the month of August has been, and I think we got a chance to add a whole lot more to that precipitation total here again over the next 5 days. As far as the radar this morning, you can see them area showers and thunderstorms off to our southwest. Again, much of this activity will weaken this morning, but then redevelop during the late morning or early afternoon off to our west and southwest, and then move into the area, especially for later in the day. And I think a better chance of thunderstorms will come in tonight. These should not be severe, although we could see some pretty gusty winds and small hail with some of the stronger storms. Again, we'll wait till Sunday before we see the chance of some really powerful storms, perhaps. On the weather map this morning, you can see the low pressure system off to our west. These will move to the northeast, and again, this will help to push this warm front through the area here. By tomorrow, that warm front sneaks in towards the lower Michigan, and then finally, as we get into Sunday, with that warm push well off to our north, we're solidly in the warm air, and we got a frontal boundary that'll be heading towards the area, and again, that'll bring a lot of rain off to our west and a good chance of strong to severe storms across much of the MAC and LAC areas here again, I think, for Sunday afternoon into Sunday night. As far as the precipitation expected over the next 7 days, and you can see quite a bit of precipitation can fall, especially off to our west. Look at some of these amounts up around 4 or 5 inches of rain back across central Wisconsin. So we need to really keep an eye on this. Like I said 2 days ago, we could see precipitation heavier than what we were looking at then, and that certainly has been in the case where the WPC has increased the rainfall across much of the area. And again, we have to watch for the potential that we could see even more than this, depending on how those thunderstorms develop. We expect a couple of MCS complexes to develop, I think, over the next 5 days in this hot and humid air. And as far as the severe weather potential, you can see the Severe Storm Prediction Center has much of the area in a slight risk of severe storms for Sunday and Sunday night. And again, we'll keep an eye on this 3 days out. Would not be surprised to see maybe an enhanced risk in later forecasts. As far as that forecast goes, again, highs today in the upper 70s, around 80, around low 80s on Sunday or Saturday. And then we'll see, again, chance of temperatures up in the upper 80s around 90. And again, throughout the period, especially for later today and tonight, and then again for Sunday night, it looks like our best chances of thunderstorms, and some of those could, again, bring some locally heavy rain. And again, we'll have to watch for some pop-up and scattered thunderstorms in this heat as we get into early next week as well. But there'll be plenty of sunshine, I think, on most of the days. Again, the rainiest period, though, does look like from tonight into tomorrow morning as it looks right now. Thanks for stopping by, and have yourself a great day, a great weekend, and 73s to all.